Welcome to this video. Are you finding that your back gets a little bit stiff or sore, perhaps from sitting for a long time during the day? Maybe you're sat at a desk. Or maybe you're wanting to know a few exercises you can do on the gym ball for your back. So in this video we have 3 gym ball back exercises for you to try out. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from Physiofit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. The first suggestion I've got for you is to use the gym ball just to try and get a little bit of extension on the back, so extensions arching backwards. When you're sat at a desk, you're actually in a lot of flexion, sitting with the hips bent and perhaps you're slouching. I may be exaggerating. Sitting on the gym ball, you're going to walk your feet forwards and you're going to roll yourself back onto the gym ball. So you want to get the head resting on the gym ball and you can let the spine and the back just arch over, just to get a nice stretch, like I say, into that extension. So once you're there, you can either hold it for a few seconds, perhaps doing a couple of nice big deep breaths, and then you can walk your legs backwards and you can sit yourself upright. I'd suggest doing a few repetitions of this one, just to get the back used to being in that extended position. The second exercise suggestion I've got for you is the bridge on a gym ball. So you're going to sit on it, you're going to walk your legs forwards, and you're going to raise your hips up as you're walking your legs forwards. So you're going to get your head and the upper back resting on the gym ball. And I really want you to think about engaging the glutes muscles, which are muscles at the back of the hips, just to keep your hips raised as much as you can do. So there is the potential for hips just to sink a little bit. So keep those hips raised, and then you can walk your legs back as you sit yourself into your upright position. And then you are going to go for the repetitions with this one. So repeat at least 10 times, but please, like I say, just keep checking that you're engaging those glutes when you are in that bridge position. The third option I have for you is a variation on exercise 2. It's a variation on the bridge. So you're going to start by sitting on the gym ball, walk your legs forwards so you can roll the upper back and the head onto the gym ball. So just make sure the head is nice and supported. Keep your hips raised, as we were talking about in exercise number 2. And for this one, you're wanting to shift your way over onto the left and shift your way over onto that right side. So you just want to feel that you're doing more work on the left. I'd actually get you to time yourself. So at least 30 seconds on that left side, and then you're going to switch over and you can do your 30 seconds onto the right. And the reason I think this one's quite a good one is because it will just bias the right side and the left side individually. So you make sure that you're working both sides equally. So those are your 3 exercises to try out. If you're wanting more suggestions, then we do have videos that we've done for the shoulders, and we've also done a video working on the abs. Check those out. Share this video if you know anyone that may be interested in some back exercises using the gym ball. And I'll see you soon.